This is HOLY STONE HS720G, and today I'll show how you can insert or eject an SD card on this drone. So in the beginning, take your aircraft and unfold its legs, starting with rear ones. Then if you'll hold this drone like that, away from you, so the camera looks away, on the left side or on the left on the left side of your drone, right above its belly, you'll find a very neat SD card compartment. So from here, the process is simple. Take your micro SD card, position it like that, and push it all the way in. Once you hear a click, that means that the memory card has been inserted and installed successfully. In order to eject the SIM card the SD card on the other hand, you will need to press it in. After you do that, let your finger go, and as you could have clearly seen, the memory card has popped right out. So now just use your fingers or nails to take it out all the way, and here you have it. So as far as this video goes, that'll be it. Should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye bye.